Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to sort for products on AliExpress using filters and sorting options. So now let's get started. First of all, open the AliExpress app on your mobile device. Now here on the app, search for a product in the AliExpress search bar. Now, use the filters on the left to select price range, free shipping, ratings, and brands. Now at the top, you can see options like best matches, top sales, and price. Simply click on them to organize results by best match, orders, newest, or price. And after that, simply check reviews and seller ratings before buying. And that's it. This is how to search for products on AliExpress using filters and sorting options. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.